everyone, myself Kevin and this is Biosecond. Today we are going to do our case study for Bangalore, garden city turned into garbage city. Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley and the IT hub of India, where many of the India's tech giants, unicorns and silicon hubs have been made. Bangalore is a city where the India's majority of the technological advancements have been contributed from. And Bangalore is a major city for IT hubs and startups. But Bangalore faces a major problem every day. It's waste problem. Every day, the Bangalore city in the morning, thousands of tons of waste is carried by the waste workers, but is not accounted by them. Because of it, they just throw it in the streets of Bangalore. Because of which the major problem has been circulated, which is this infestation or diseases and manifestation of the bacteria in the streets of Bangalore, which has caused into the many disease problem like diarrhea in the recent years. Because of which the youths and the citizens of Bangalore are suffering. And also after this garbage are disposed in the streets of Bangalore, the crows and dogs usually chew up the food and distribute it even into the system of Bangalore even more, which have resulted into the diseases like plague by rats in Bangalore. After all of this problem, suffering by years of Bangalore's ruling, the government of Bangalore is still trying to figure out a solution for this, imposing heavy fines, policies, but nothing has so far worked. So common solution for this would be the imposition of policy. But before that, we have to make sure the waste workers that pick up the garbage every day and are supposed to take care of it, actually take accountability for the garbage. Because of it, if we are able to somehow make them make sure they take accountability, and the Bangalore's government somehow imposes policies, fines and other things, so that people won't burn their garbage, which will result into toxic fumes. The garbage worker will not throw it in the streets, which will cause in the bacteria and infestation. It will make sure that Bangalore is free from this virus or the curse that has been hit it for many past years, and will turn into a greener city with the city which can even contribute even more to the India's technological advancement and technological improvement. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Biosecond and this was our case study.